My name is Sergio Alvarez. I am a wildlife rescue technician here with the Peninsula Humane Society as part of the Animal Control Department. I've worked in numerous positions on and off here throughout the department since 2017, from officer to humane investigator, animal control assistant, and wildlife rescue tech. Throughout the day for laying them inside of our cages, and then we also put them inside of boxes that we'll put wildlife or animals in just to make it more comfortable. Having an interest in education. This department doesn't necessarily require you to have a college degree or anything like that, but the more information that you learn about the animals in general and about the work that you're doing in this county, the better, because then you're more equipped to talk to the public. You're more able to help out with some of the classes that we do. Like once in a while we'll talk with like the folks who work at the post office or park rangers, and we help educate them on how to do their job safer as well.